Okay, we use PVE to install Windows. First upload its ISO image. We click local. You can see it has this ISO menu uploaded. We click upload. Select the mirror we want to upload. For example, Windows ISO. We click upload. It's accelerated here. The upload was successful here. We can erase this interface from the pop frame. Install Windows. We also need to install another auxiliary ISO. We go to the website. Then open this address. I opened its release from GitHub. Then we go to download the latest ISO. After the download is complete, we also uploaded it to the just in this ISO menu. Click to upload. Select the download just now. Select this ISO. Click to upload. Okay, the upload was successful. I've omitted the process of creating a virtual machine. We go directly to the installation interface. Click Next. Click to install. There is no key here. Click without key. Select the Pro version here. Check the box and click Next. Click Install only. No identification here. We choose the ISO we just got. Then we expand here and swipe down. We picked Win10. Note that it is ISCS. And then we AMD is64 quad system. Then select OK. Click to load. Then we can identify our disk. Click Next. It's accelerated here. It will restart many times in the middle. Then click Next. Click Next again. Skip. Accelerate. Choose to install it for your personal use. Then set up an offline account here. So here is Win10. If you Win11, you need to set a separate order. I clicked Run here. Re-enter the offline account. Then click the button at the bottom on the left. Set username. Set password. Set the password at will here. You can set it yourself. Click here, no need to cancel. All are private. Click next. Same skip. You need to wait for a while. And may restart. Then we enter the system. We are going to manipulate it. Also use the previous ISO. After installing it, it can be compatible with the network display and other drivers. We double-click and drag to the bottom. Choose this Xlio. Try to install. Keep going to the next step. Click to install. Okay, that's the adaptation of network interface card and display screen is completed. The computer is fine. We can use it through the PVE interface.